Caroline. So today my brother will be joining us.
Hi.
And we're going to show you how to make monkey bread inspired by the semi-homemade queen, Sandra Lee. The ingredients you'll need for this recipe is 1 can of sweetened condensed milk, half a stick of butter, melted, cinnamon sugar, which you can make yourself, and 1 can of buttermilk biscuit dough. First, you'll preheat your oven to 350 degrees.
First, open your biscuit dough.
Then take all the biscuits out. Then once you have all your biscuits laid out, you're going to cut them into 4 pieces. Okay guys, so I have a quick knife skill tip for you. So when cutting things, never go like this or you will cut your finger in half. What you should do is either put them so your knuckles are like this, face down, and your knuckles will hit the knife instead of your fingers. Another way you could do it is put your fingers around and cut it this way. So after that, you can roll them into balls you want. I personally want to do that because I don't think they look too good as triangles. Then I prepared muffin tin with cupcake liners. You are going to put about a teaspoon of condensed milk into the bottom of the cupcake liners. So after they're all rolled up, you're going to take an individual ball, splash it around in some butter, and then roll it in your cinnamon sugar, and then put it in the cupcake liners. You might need a little more butter, but you shouldn't need too much more.
And repeat until you're out of dough. Then, at the top of each dough piece, you're going to add a teaspoon of condensed milk.
Then you're going to put in
The oven for 10 minutes.
They're done.
Let's taste them.
Oh my god.
Mm.
It's so good.
The best monkey bread I've ever ate.
I love this.
Me too.
That was really good monkey bread. 10 out of 10 recommend. Yeah. Make sure to like this video so you can try it later and subscribe. Bye.
Bye.